friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, beautiful and trendy women crochet shawl design. Different designs, different ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crochet shawl design. New and trendy shawl designs for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. Knitted patterns. So friends, if you want to buy this very beautiful shawl design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, ebbuy.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful shawl designs, these websites online easily in very reasonable price. Knitted patterns, easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy crochet shawl design. Those ladies who love such type of crochet shawl design, please friends subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video in my collection. Give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy women crochet shawl design. Share my video with your relatives, with your sweet friends, and also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.